Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, and now guys, we're going to witness how Richelle blow her 7th birthday candle. Alright? Ready ka na, Richelle? Okay, bago mo na blow, you may now close your eyes. Ayan, close your eyes and make your own wish. Ayan, kung ano man yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo, sige. Ayan, isipin mo na yan at sana maging granted. Ayan, at for sure, i-grant yan ng iyong mami. Ayan, alright? So, okay na? Meron na? Nakapag-wish ka na? Alright,